Just want to share a brief story about one of my clients who is absolutely smashing it at the moment and is doing so well, and it's Bradley. Now, Bradley, when he first came to us, was really frustrated because he was doing such small scale work, projects between 2 and 5k. They were cladding and roofing jobs, and he was really frustrated because he was winning this work off sites like My Builder and Checker Trade, and it wasn't the ideal projects that he wanted, and he didn't know how he could scale. So one of the first things we helped Bradley to do was completely rebrand so that he could take on much larger projects. He knew he had the ability to do it, but he just wasn't getting the leads. Once we did this rebrand, one of the first big projects he landed was a huge commercial cladding project that was nearly worth £200,000. That was awesome, but we didn't want to stop there once we had momentum. We then incorporated into his brand in how we could do renovations and extensions and loft conversions, which again, he had the ability to do. Once we did that, the average value of Bradley's projects went from 2 to 5k to up to 150k per project. He is now delivering 150k projects all day long, and the good thing is now he doesn't have to generate hundreds and hundreds of leads every month. He only needs a few leads each month, and he wins a project, and that lasts him 3 to 4 months at any one time. So Bradley really is crushing it at the moment, and I just really wanted to share this video because I'm so proud of what he's doing.